Hello, Mr. Chu here in his Indiana State University hoodie. I do live in Indiana. I did attend ISU. This particular video is called an Ask Mr. Chu episode of double digit rounding shortcuts. So I mentioned in my first Ask Mr. Chu video that I did earlier that Sue sent me an Ask Mr. Chu email. And she asked, are there any shortcuts for multiplication that you want to share? And this is called multiply two-digit numbers, called the double-digit round shortcut. So, I'm Mr. Chu. This is Ask Mr. Chu. What does Ask Mr. Chu mean? Send your math questions to askmrchu@gmail.com. You know how sometimes students think they can't ask a question to their math teacher? Maybe they'll think it's a stupid question. Then send it to me and I'll do a video of it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's a little button over here to subscribe. Like these if you like them. If you like my hat, tell me about it. Tell me you like my hat or maybe my hoodie. This email address, askmrchu@gmail.com, will come just to me. I'll read them and I'll let you know, just like Sue asking about these shortcuts. All right, so use a shortcut to find the product. Now you have to watch, you have to listen, and I will show you these simple steps. Number one, you're going to find out how far each of the two numbers you're multiplying together are from 100. Then you're going to add the two digits that you found in number one. So you're going to add them up. Then you're going to subtract that number you found in 2 from 100, and those are the first two digits of your answer. Then you're going to multiply the two digits from 1. This is the last two digits of your number, and it's going to be a 4-digit number when you're multiplying these two digits. Now, the farther these are from 100, the harder it is. So you can see these are fairly close, so this is an easy one. These are a little bit farther away, a little bit harder. So let's do our first step. Find out how far each one is from 100. This isn't hard. How far is 89 from 100? Well, 100 minus 89 is 11. Find out how far 96 is. That's easy too. That's 4. So on our first step, it says find out how far away they are. Then on number 2, it says add the digits from 1. So I'm going to add them. And when I add those, what do you get? You get 15. Okay? Then it says subtract that from 100. So I'm going to take 100 minus 15, and that's going to equal 85. That becomes my first two numbers. It's 8,500 and something. You say, whoa, wait a minute. Now, how did you do that? We just went step by step. Now, it says, number 4, multiply the two digits. So it's going to be 11 times 4, which equals 44, and that becomes the last two digits. So we're saying that 89 times 96 is 8,544. Well, let's see if that's really true. Let's take the two numbers and multiply them. 6 times 9 is 54. I carry the 5. 6 times 8 is 48 plus 5 is 53. I hold my position there. 9 times 9 is 81. Carry the 8. 9 times 8 is 72. Plus 8 is 80. 4 plus 0 is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. 5, 8, 8,544. Wow, that worked. Yes, it did. Now, this one's a little bit harder because they're farther away. So when they're farther away, the numbers are a little harder to work with. Well, I find out how far this is from 100, and it's 28 from 100. Find out how far that is from 100. That's 16, and my first step is to add them up. 28 plus 16 is 44. Then I subtract 44 from 100 and get 56. So my first two numbers are 56. All right? Now, since this is a little bit bigger, it's going to be just a little bit harder. Remember, the next step is to take and multiply the two numbers. Well, now that's not a real easy thing to do. So let's multiply them. 48, carry the 4. 12, 16, hold by 0. 8, 2, 348. Okay? So since it's a 3-digit number, these last 2 digits will go here, and the 3 will go here. 348. You have to carry that. So when you add down, you get the answer is 5,948. Well, let's check it and see if that really is right. So let's take our 72 times our 84. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 7 is 28. Hold my place value with that 0. 8 times 2 is 16. Carry the 1. 56 plus 1 is 57. Add down. Oh, that carried it over. So something is wrong here. So let's see what happens here. 6 times 8 is 48. Carry the 4. 12, 16. Ah, this is what happened. Look, there's a mistake here in my basic multiplication. 8, 14, carry the 1, 4. It's 448. That's why we always double check everything we do. And look at that, 6,048. And it worked. 6,048, 6,048. That's why I always check. I'm a human being. I make mistakes, just like everyone makes mistakes. Okay, now I challenge you to try these now. So here's a couple challenge problems. I'll go ahead and post a link up here where I work these out and we see if they worked out. So your challenge 1 uses double-digit rules. Here they are. For 91 times 89. And for challenge 2, 78 times 84. And make sure that you pause this, work them out. Doesn't take that long. And then go back in and click on that video and you get to watch and see if you did them right. Remember, send your questions to askmrchew@gmail.com. There are no stupid math questions. I want to answer them. I work really hard at these videos so that I can help you. So let me help you. Like this video. Subscribe down here to my YouTube channel. I'm Mr. Chew. This is Ask Mr. Chew. And I'll see you in the next video. Try those now. And then we'll see if you did them right or not. Comment. I want to know what you think. And we'll see you next video.